Good morning, everyone. I have good immigration news. I know it's been a long time since we felt like we got good immigration news on the regular, so super excited to let you know that, a few days ago we had gotten a court order that was supposed to reinstate DACA, which was awesome, and we were excited, but we were also not able to actually take action because the Department of Homeland Security hadn't implemented the judge's order yet, and that actually changed today. They announced that that the applications are open again, and so DACA, as it was initially formed, has been reinstated. What does that mean for you or someone that you might know? Specifically, people who maybe qualify for DACA but did not get it the first time. They'd come before the age of 16 as children, and we can list the requirements below this video here if you're unfamiliar with what the DACA requirements are. I don't want to repeat that. A lot of you are very familiar with that. If someone may be DACA eligible and they never applied, we can try to do initial applications now. And if they have DACA and have been renewing, it is possible to again apply for travel authorization, which is going to be huge, especially for people who are married to US citizens and going through that sort of process. For some people who have DACA, that actually will enable them to skip getting a provisional waiver, which is a huge savings of time and money and stress, and by doing this alternate strategy in some cases. So we just wanted to quickly get the word out about this change. As you know, with a lot of the court cases, sometimes it's like these windows open up for like 5 minutes, and we try to jump on it when we can and get as many people through as we can, which is why we immediately announce it to all of you. And so reach out to us. We are today reaching out to all of our clients that this may impact, and just really rush emergency appointments available to get this done if this might impact you. So yay, it's good to have some good news, and we look forward to speaking with you all soon.